Hi guys, today I am going to discuss about primitive data type. So first of all, what is data type? So every variable has a data type that tells about what kind of data has been stored. And in JavaScript we have like 7 primitive data type, and these are like string, number, big int, boolean, undefined, symbol, none. So let's go to REPL and do some demo related to primitive. I will be creating one replet. We will choose Node.js and give like primitive demo create repl. So primitive data types are like inbuilt in Java. So let's discuss about string first. Let's declare a string variable demo. So I have like created one variable and stored a string character on that variable. So the data type of this x is like string. So there is a function called type of. Using that you can check the data type of any variable. So let me use that console dot log type of x. Okay, see, I can see that type of x is string. Similarly, if I change this to number, some number, and again now run this one, see the data type has changed to number because I have changed to number. Similarly, if I give some decimal point also, it will be same as number. Okay, so we have string number big int. So big int is used to store large integers which cannot be stored in a simple way. Okay, so for like defining any big int, we write big int and under that we give that number. Suppose this is the number. Okay, if I run this one, see the type of x is now big int. Similarly, if I erase this type of and only try to print x, you will see the number and n is concatenated here. So n is just to give you detail that it is a big integer number. Okay, and after that there is boolean. So boolean is simply like tell about it is true or false. So it's true. Okay, and here I add type of. So see, the type of x is now boolean because it is true. If I make it false, it should be same. Okay, after that we have undefined. Okay, undefined. So I have like stored undefined in that x variable. See, the type of x is now undefined. Suppose I simply declare x and doesn't initialize it, and then we check the type of x, then also it is undefined. So whether you write undefined or simply don't initialize that variable, it will be undefined. Okay, after that we have symbols. So symbols are used to store like a unique and immutable string. Let me show you. So symbol and suppose I write demo. Okay, now if I try to get the type of this x, it will be symbol. And similarly if I try to print this one, it will show symbol demo. Okay, and after that there is a null. So null is simply used to indicate that there is no object attached to this x value. Okay, because if there is no object attached to x, then this is null. So if I try to print the type of x, it will show me as object. Okay, so yeah, so for null the type of is object because it's a null object, that's why. Okay, so this is like the data type is null, but when you try to print that type of, you will get object, because object, it has object which has nothing. Okay, so these are like 7 data types in JavaScript we have discussed. In the coming videos I will discuss about the object. Thank you guys.